Welcome back to Prime Picks USA, where we bring you honest reviews of the best products available on Amazon. Today, we are taking a look at the top 5 best catalytic converter cleaners designed to help reduce emissions, improve engine performance, and restore fuel efficiency. These cleaners are easy to use and can help keep your vehicle running smoothly. Let us get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Catalytic Fuel and Exhaust System Cleaner, pass emissions tests, clear check engine lights, restores catalytic converters, DPF filters and cleans fuel systems, 16 ounces, pack of 2, 120019. Catalytic is designed to clean and restore critical components of the fuel and exhaust system, helping vehicles run more efficiently. This formula targets carbon buildup in fuel injectors, oxygen sensors, catalytic converters, and DPF filters, which are common causes of reduced performance and warning lights. The cleaner works by removing deposits that can restrict exhaust flow and interfere with proper emissions control. By cleaning these components, Catalytic helps improve fuel combustion, which can lead to smoother acceleration and more consistent engine performance. One of the standout uses of this product is helping vehicles pass emissions tests. Carbon buildup is a frequent reason for failed inspections, and regular use of this cleaner can reduce emissions related to incomplete fuel burn. It may also help address check engine lights that are triggered by inefficient exhaust system readings. Application is simple. The solution is poured directly into the fuel tank before refueling, allowing it to mix thoroughly with gasoline. As the vehicle is driven, the cleaner works through the fuel system and exhaust components without requiring disassembly or special tools. Overall, this cleaner offers a convenient way to support emissions performance, reduce carbon buildup, and maintain the efficiency of fuel and exhaust system components. Number 2. Duralube Severe Catalytic and Exhaust Treatment, 16 ounces, 6-pack. Duralube Severe Catalytic and Exhaust Treatment is formulated for vehicles experiencing heavy carbon buildup or ongoing exhaust system issues. This product focuses on cleaning catalytic converters, oxygen sensors, and exhaust passages to help restore proper system operation. The treatment is designed for more intensive cleaning, making it suitable for high-mileage vehicles or engines that frequently operate in stop-and-go driving conditions. Carbon deposits can restrict airflow and reduce the effectiveness of emissions components, and this formula works to break down those deposits during normal driving. Improved exhaust flow can result in smoother engine operation and more consistent power delivery. By cleaning oxygen sensors, the product helps ensure accurate readings for the engine control system, which can positively impact fuel efficiency and emissions performance. Using the treatment is straightforward. The liquid is added to the fuel tank, where it circulates through the system as fuel is consumed. No mechanical work or special procedures are required, making it accessible for everyday vehicle maintenance. The 6-pack format is ideal for regular use or for treating multiple vehicles. It also allows drivers to follow a scheduled maintenance routine to help prevent future buildup. Overall, Duralube Severe Catalytic and Exhaust Treatment provides a strong cleaning solution for maintaining exhaust system efficiency and supporting emissions system performance over time. Number 3. Leaky Moly Catalytic System Clean 300 ml 7110. Cleans the injection system and the combustion chamber. Leaky Moly Catalytic System Clean is engineered to target deposits throughout the fuel injection system and combustion chamber. Over time, carbon buildup can interfere with fuel spray patterns, combustion efficiency, and exhaust system performance, and this formula is designed to address those issues directly. The cleaner works by breaking down carbon and residue inside injectors, intake valves, and the combustion chamber. By restoring proper fuel atomization, it helps promote more complete combustion, which can lead to smoother engine operation and more consistent throttle response. This product also supports catalytic converter efficiency by reducing unburned fuel and harmful deposits that can reach the exhaust system. Cleaner combustion helps lower emissions and can reduce the likelihood of emissions-related warning lights. Application is simple and does not require mechanical work. The solution is added directly to the fuel tank, where it mixes with gasoline and circulates through the system during normal driving. One can is designed to treat a full tank, making it convenient for routine maintenance. Leaky Moly is known for precise formulations, and this cleaner is suitable for gasoline engines with catalytic converters. Regular use can help maintain engine cleanliness, especially for vehicles used in short trips or city driving. Overall, this catalytic system cleaner offers a focused approach to improving injection performance, combustion efficiency, and emissions system health. Number 4. Rislone 4720 CAT Complete Fuel Exhaust and Emissions System Cleaner 16.9 ounces. Approximate 3 minutes. Rislone CAT Complete is designed as an all-in-one solution for cleaning fuel, exhaust, and emissions system components. Carbon buildup in these areas can reduce performance and increase emissions, and this formula works to clean multiple systems at the same time. The cleaner targets fuel injectors, intake valves, combustion chambers, oxygen sensors, and catalytic converters. By removing deposits, it helps restore proper airflow and exhaust flow, supporting more efficient engine operation. Improved combustion can lead to smoother acceleration and more stable idle. By cleaning oxygen sensors, the product helps maintain accurate engine data, which can positively affect fuel efficiency and emissions control. Using the product is straightforward. It is poured into the fuel tank before refueling, allowing it to blend evenly with gasoline. As the vehicle is driven, the cleaner circulates through the system without requiring tools or disassembly. Rislone CAT Complete is compatible with gasoline, diesel, and hybrid vehicles, making it a versatile choice for many drivers. It is often used as a preventative maintenance treatment or to address mild emissions-related issues. Overall, this cleaner provides broad system coverage, helping reduce emissions, support fuel efficiency, and maintain the performance of key engine and exhaust components. Number 5. Edline 60103 SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner cleans and prevents corrosion in fuel systems, cleans injectors, carburetors, valve and combustion chamber deposits. 15-ounce, 6-pack. Redline SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner is a high-concentration formula designed to clean and protect the entire fuel system. It focuses on removing carbon deposits from injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. This cleaner is known for its strong detergent content, which helps restore injector spray patterns and improve fuel delivery. Better fuel atomization supports more complete combustion, which can result in smoother engine operation and improved throttle response. The formula also helps prevent corrosion inside the fuel system by stabilizing fuel and reducing moisture-related damage. This is especially beneficial for vehicles that sit for extended periods or experience seasonal storage. Redline SI1 works with gasoline engines and is safe for use with catalytic converters and oxygen sensors. It also helps reduce emissions by minimizing unburned fuel and deposit formation during combustion. Application is easy. The cleaner is added directly to the fuel tank, with one bottle typically treating one full tank of gasoline. The 6-pack format is ideal for ongoing maintenance or multiple vehicles. Overall, Redline SI1 offers a professional-grade solution for maintaining fuel system cleanliness, improving combustion efficiency, and protecting against long-term fuel system wear. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best catalytic converter cleaners here on Prime Picks USA. If any of these cleaners caught your attention, we have included links in the description where you can check the latest price and details. Make sure to subscribe to Prime Picks USA for more honest product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.